In recognition of the stress and dedication and the work that our health workers are doing in Machakos County, my government has decided to give them a special allowance because they are putting their lives in danger. They are under a lot of stress at this time of fighting coronavirus. Therefore, the ones who are out there going to look at the people in isolation, testing the people who are out there in quarantine, the surveillance team members, the professionals will be getting an extra 20,000 a month. The non-professionals will be getting an extra 10,000 shillings a month allowance. For the doctors in hospitals, the frontline doctors who are seeing patients coming in, some of them who may be positive with coronavirus, we are giving them 10,000 shilling extra a month, and the non-professional cadre are getting 5,000 shillings a month. I wish we could pay them more, but we don't have enough money. And once we get people into isolation beds and all that, we'll be able to add money to the doctors who will be dealing with them on a very daily basis. This is just a token of appreciation for our doctors. We are getting more equipment to equip them properly and getting more equipment to ensure that our health workers are protected. So I want to tell the health workers that we care about you, we love you, we know you're putting your life on the line, and my government will ensure there are 5,000 masks every single day so that every health worker has a mask, sanitizers, guns everywhere. We're getting more equipment for you to be able to dress properly if you're facing a COVID-19 patient, so that you're also protected and that your life is also seen as important. So I want to thank you for the work that you're doing and to say that we are going to work with you even though times are difficult, the money is little, but we care, and I appreciate what you're doing, not just for us in Machakos, but for us in Kenya.